everybody, it's Christina, and I have some Valentine kits that I've put together and that I'm selling. So I've only made 3 of them, and this is what it looks like packaged, but I will show you them all individual. So there are lots of embellishments and papers and tags and so on, but I'll put this aside and I'll show you them individually. Little stickers. So cute, little doggies and cats and XOXO and hearts. And these are tickets, white tickets, pink tickets, and the ones that say admit 1. And I'm not sure how many are in each here. There's probably about a dozen or so. And then word stickers. And these are dress form die cuts. Some flowers, buttons, and a lot of these are vintage buttons straight out of my mom's collection. And these are so cute. Look at these little tiny die cut coffee cups, and I added per cup. I have a stamp set, and I stamped per cup. And then a couple of larger coffee cups that says I love you and coffee. A die cut, hugs, kisses, some vintage tags, a metal embellishment that says, it's a postcard and it says I love you, some pink paper clips and little tiny clothes pegs, a couple of types of ribbon, sequence mix, a sticker, a couple of little tiny envelopes. These are so sweet, and there's a little heart inside, and some stickers. This looks like the envelope sticker, a ticket. These are stamps. It says message of love, 2 large ones and some small ones. Bingo cards that say love. And bling, we've got heart bling, large hearts and little tiny ones. And then we've got some glitter hearts in 3 different sizes. And some round rhinestones, red rhinestones. A couple of file folders. A sheet of stickers, and then some different colors of paper. We've got pink, red, a polka dot one, vintage music paper, and then different Valentine images. And these are some Valentine images. Isn't she cute? I love her. She's going to the mailbox. What's cooking? And how cute is that? Oh, and one more. Then we've got some doilies, some pink doilies, heart doily, and some white ones. And these sweet paper bags, red hearts or white hearts, striped. And this glassine bag, actually put this through my printer. It was white to begin with, and then I ran it through my printer with on the front and the back with these beautiful vintage images. So this kit can be used pocket letters, for your planner, for junk journaling, your smash books, scrapbooking, card making, just about any project you want to work on. So I'll list the prices down below. It is $15 shipped to Canada, $20 shipped to the US. International, I'm not listing a price because it's very expensive to ship overseas, but if you're interested, just send me an email. I can always go to the post office and find how much it is to ship international. I only accept PayPal. Send me an email. I'll put the email down below, and you can send me your PayPal email. I'll send you an invoice and pay promptly, and that's it. So I only have 3 available, so once they're gone, they're gone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.